In this video, we are going to show you how to connect ideas into narratives using Poppy AI. Now, to do this, you need to create two groups that is going to be connected to your Poppy chat. Group one is going to be your idea vault, so everything is going to be here, right? Like, if you have a broad topic, everything goes here. So if you have PDFs, if you have documents, URLs, or website links to articles, videos, audio, everything, music, even if there is music, everything goes here, so you're organized, right? Next is going to be your narrative style, so your voice. So if you're starting from scratch, you want to imitate somebody or an already existing brand with their voice, right? So if it's a YouTube channel, put their best performing videos here, right? Copy paste here so that you have your voice. First thing you need to do is train your Poppy chat. Tell your Poppy chat, I want you to analyze the narrative style group and pretty much have an idea of how they create or they narrate their content, and I want you to do the same thing. So just train your LLM using narrative style. When it comes to your idea vault, the prompt here is you need to look for threads. You need to look for similarities. So you need to probe for themes. So ask Poppy AI questions like, what is the common thread tying these three concepts together, or whatever, however many concepts are in the idea vault. How do these distinct ideas connect to solve my target audience main problem, etc., right? Once that's done, it's going to know what to do. It's going to give you a very distinctive breakdown on how it does things. So that is how you create narratives by connecting ideas, right? So if you are interested in trying out Poppy AI, you can get a $25 discount when you click on the link in the description below. Pretty much it. That's a video. I hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.